Hello, my name is Ruhul Amin. Now, welcome to my office. Here is my office, and I work together with my team to bring your creative ideas to life. From video editing to graphics design, web development to digital marketing, we believe in quality, honesty, and result. Great together.
My name is Kingshuk Roy, and I'm a professional video editor and graphic designer. Working with Ruhul for almost 2 years, and basically we're the people who makes your ideas come to life. And I want you to trust us with your vision, and we promise to deliver the best result possible. Thank you.
I am Ariful Islam. I work with Ruhul Amin. I make websites it look like good and work perfectly to help business grow online.